welcome to Badgeskins. In this how-to video, we're going to do the side vent Badgeskin overlay for the Mark 7 Golf R. And essentially your kit looks like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply this black overlay in this section to give it that vented look. So it's very simple, just like anything else with the Badgeskin install. You gotta wash and clean your car, alcohol wipe, microfiber cloth, make sure your surface is super clean. Start off with the install. Simply take your Badgeskin and remove it from the backing. The masking is pre-cut for you for this event there, for this little bar right here. So more or less, it just helps you guide your install, where you kind of center it a little bit here, and you can kind of just lay it down and make sure that everything's lined up. So and you follow that arch line of the fender on the bumper here. And more or less, I'm just gonna, once it's lined up, I'm just gonna tack it down and rub it in. This is the air release vinyl, so don't be too worried about creating bubbles. If you squeeze it well with your finger, it should come out bubble free. Once you're comfortable, take the masking and peel it off at 180 degrees, like so. And there you go. You got this kind of added accent piece that looks like a vent, an actual vent on your Mark 7 front bumper. Okay everyone, here it is, the MK7 front bumper on the Golf R vent Badgeskin. So it's pretty basic. It was easy to install. It literally took 2 minutes, but it adds that little touch to your car, and it's a really great look. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.